From today's final Oprah show. Amanda's out at the Clark Planetarium with a big group of wild ladies and men getting ready to watch the big finale.
Amanda?
Okay, the wild ladies are already in their seats, just waiting anxiously for the finale to start. We've got the beautiful ladies of Channel 2, Emily Flores, Debbie Worthen. We have a lovely viewer here, and Mary Nichols. And we wanted to ask them a little bit about what your experience has been with the Oprah show throughout your lives. Have you been watching it your whole lives? Or?
I have. I've grown up with Oprah, and I'll be honest.
Literally.
Literally, she has been having shows almost as old as I am.
There might be
but no,
some
I've been
in my
the
left
last
hand
5 or 6
drawer.
shows every time tearing up. It just she means a lot to me.
Yeah, and I think she's kept daytime talk real. She hasn't gone extreme. She's just kept it real, meaningful conversation, and I've always liked that a lot about her.
Oh.
Interviewing skills. You learn how to ask real questions and listen, and she's taught us a lot over the years. She is a teacher like she wants to be, so very cool.
I love that she's true to herself. No matter whether you agree with her or not, she's always right on track, and she's so genuine, and I love that about her, and I'm going to miss her.
Yeah.
Okay, so any predictions about this last show? Do you think it's going to be surprise, 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 or what?
Okay, well, we heard that it was no guests. It's just her, right?
Yes. That's
Okay,
what
and I
heard.
think maybe we will get to people maybe interview her, you know, and
Maybe
learn
Know
more
her
about
a little better. Yeah.
But you know what better way than to have Oprah? Just Oprah.
Oprah. Oprah. That's the theme of the day, just Oprah. We want to say goodbye to you, Oprah, and we'll see you guys later.
Amanda, thanks so much. Enjoy the show. Remember, everyone else could watch it right here on Channel 2 starting at 4 o'clock today. You are going to love it.